Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get ERC20 wallet address on Binance. Okay, maybe you'd like to transfer off maybe your USDT from another wallet to Binance. Well, we would need the deposit address or wallet address for that. So open up Binance right here. Now go ahead and tap on assets. And once you're in here, what you do is just go ahead over to add funds button, tap on it. And then make sure that you select on-chain deposit that says deposit crypto from other exchanges or wallets straight up to Binance. So tap on it. And then in here again, select the desired ERC20 token like USDT. Okay, so let's just go ahead and tap on USDT right here. And again, ERC20 or Ethereum ERC20 is right here. So just tap on it, and once done, you'll be able to see your QR code or unique QR code and your unique deposit address. Okay, so what you got to do is just tap on copy, paste it to the wallet where you wanted to send the ERC20 from. Follow simple prompts, and in no time, you'll have your ERC20 right here on your Binance account. That is it. That is how you get ERC20 wallet address on Binance. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.